Ka Voice of People's Party mentakasi kalapan bena yo Kyrtong jongka bani Reng hak election MP Arajar Arfusa u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon u Badeiru u General Secretary Kaseng. Habakran bakila pathai khubor mentakasi ka Arfuwai tarik u Jellio u Chairman jongka State Election Committee u Dr. Karachen u Loong baka BPP kandang sapen bena pat hadien yaki Kyrtong bani Reng hak election MDC. Habakali u Dr. Karachen u Loong Bagiladon arngut kiba pan tiket kiba kenthop ya ulakon kema ubadeiru Profesor Hanehu bat kakong bahun lang tron kebahikai HPGT College. Habakali ulong bakaseng kadon kajing song kem manlet hi marway klam depan jing kersan na kiwei pat kiseng riulom namar wat kanong rem jong ka BPP ru kame deidor bar kiwei kiseng bat banlong ru kajing sanya teli hau pajba.
Candidate MP Jogi menetapkan election parliamentary election kandang long 2024. Di pwede bagani parti Jogi State Election Committee kala ipendu thadu cerit ng mulai hadin kabang nilaya perkat sangiba nilaya kren sibun di nila kreni kawai karai ba ngin nominate ya i Dr. Ricky R.J. Singkon Ricky A.J. Singkon kanong candidate yung Voice of the People Party menentang parliamentary election ke kanong 2024. Tadi ke purpose ini pernah.
Nah, hak election kadang-kadang apa lagi sila pernah nadu minta nomor lain. Election kadang slam ha.
Tem ke penipu juga kalau bah ina ben yak cakmat ya ka jingtrikan di parti ke. Nomor lagi pemenang paling kali kita sok bangin yak cakmat ini.
How confident is the VPP to win the MLAs in the House of 16? So how confident is your party?
Well, as a political party, once we enter the fray to contest the election, then we have to move ahead. Whether we win or we lose, it does not depend on the number of MLAs. It depends on the decision of the people. So on our part, we feel that once we enter the fray, we feel that we should go ahead, and it's up to the people to decide whether we win or we lose.
Will you be seeking the help of like-minded parties to support your candidate?
No, we will go on our own. We will contest the election on our own. We will not seek support of any political party.
What about other regional parties?
No, we will not seek any support from any political party. We will contest our own.
And the reason for this decision not to seek the support of other political parties?
Because we want to depend on ourselves, to depend on the support of the people. We don't need the support of anyone. And like what is happening now, also we, like in the previous election also, we have contest our own. We have not aligned with any political party. Which is why we feel, even for this parliamentary election also, we will contest on our own without the support of any political party.
So what will be the main issues that the VPP is going to the people to seek their mandate for this upcoming MP election?
Well, there are a number of issues. And one of the most important issue is the reservation policy, that is one. And then there are other issues also, which we feel, that if the people elect our candidate to the Lok Sabha, we feel, that we'll be in a position, to air our views, on the floor of the House, especially the issues like the ILP and other issues which are important for the state of Meghalaya.
So what was the criteria of recommending Singkon's name? Because usually the process is that you invite applications, but not like this. So what was the criteria?
We have received a number of applications, and there are some also who met our president, our party president personally, to convey their willingness to contest the election for the parliamentary election. Okay, so there are two applicants have applied for to contest the election from our party. One of them is Dr. Bahunlang Pron. He is an assistant professor in the PGT college. And then another one is a professor in the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Lakhan Kaba. These are the two applications that the party received. And then there are others also who came personally to meet the president on this issue.
So did Singkon apply?
Yes, he has applied. And Basantong, he's the general secretary of the party and he's a founding member of the Voice of the People Party. So we feel that he's the right person to represent, to contest from our party. Basantong, the founder member of the DPP, the general secretary of the party. Kalau juga por udah yung biang dengan kita udah menikah ya kalau suka aja ko, di kung party so he's the right person kan. Lagi inji yung founder member juga party ti ano inji. Ihap inji yung try yung party one of founder member of general secretary yung party.
But what about the vulnerability factor?
Brave issue kamu dengan beberapa ibarat ni yang untuk di get into ni kalau proses di court application ni.
And kailangan the application tentang just now I told you you don't the application you don't give a control the president rule individually untuk personally.
But why was not this vulnerability factor, why the VPP don't take this vulnerability factor as a main criteria to allot party ticket?
You see, vulnerability factor is very difficult, to say whether, a particular candidate will win. Okay, what we feel is that once he contests from the party, okay, then he will win. That is what we feel. If he contests from the party, then there's a chance, that he will win the election. That is what we feel. It does not depend, because it's not only depend on the candidate, the party also plays an important role.
Dia ini tu memang mesti membuat untuk pelapan tiket kedai untuk parti kampai tiket tu.
Tapi berkata ni kalian joming hemno ayai nama kita bala mat kira itu untuk presiden. Bak kita dulu nak kedeng jomki bala ai di hok petition. Mungkin kuat on contest ini kan MP election.
Atau semua berkali di pernah Kyrtong menukar dengan ploy tandai dekat ke kambiang.
Orang tandai ke cintu tu orang anak orang yok banyak cakap. Dan dibentuk apa ke kamsuk ini dengan ya nanti ini dengan election. Apa benda ke parliamentary election ke MDC election tentang ya different kenangan ke proses tentang select candidate atau benda kam MDC lipat lagi.
The MDC election comes first,
Yeah.
than the Lok Sabha election. So, would you think that this should have been also discussed?
That we will do, but as of now, we hear you to announce the candidature of the party for the parliamentary election. For the MDC election, right now we are screening the candidates. We will announce later. We will do that later.
But since the VPP is also a regional party, but don't you think that you really need the support of the other regional parties in the state?
Well, I don't think we need the support because first of all, also the ideology of the party also is different from other regional parties. Okay, so that is, I think, it is difficult for us, to work with other political parties.
But why not feel the VPP President Bharat Basamoy to ensure the victory of your candidate in the election? He is popular, he is capable.
That is true, but then he is here and if he is here to concentrate on state politics. Okay, he is the president of the party, the leader of the party. We feel that he is the right person to be in the state, not to go to Delhi. So, which is why we have decided to field Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon as our candidate for the Lok Sabha election next year. We will wait for the government to at least the government has allowed the constitution of a such committee to constitute that expert committee. So we wait for the government. We have to wait for some time.
What is your response to the political drama happening in KHADC where Congress is in the opposition in the assembly, but they are supporting the MDP in
We don't have anything to say on that as a party. The people will be the judge. We don't have anything to say on that.
But is it not a contradiction?
I don't get it.
Is it not a contradiction?
Well, certainly, but then, like I said, we don't want to comment anything on that. Let the people judge.
That the VPP would like to take up in the parliament.
Yes.
So how do you see this, this delay of the centre to give its decision on the demand for implementation of ILP in Meghalaya?
Well, that is difficult for us to say anything on the delay. That is only the central government will be able to tell. But from our side, we feel that if the people give us a chance to represent the people of the state in the parliament, then we will try to do something on this issue. Our representative will try to raise this issue in the floor of the Lok Sabha Parliament.